This is a u-shin showa. That's the bidding for it. It has torpedo key pins and really skinny spools. 6 pins. To try to get in, I'm going to use Lux Tools 47,000 and the number 4 from the Reaper set. That's like the more medium hook. Something on 1, something at 2, something at 3, 4, not 5, but I might have overset it. 1, 2, that's 4, 3, 4. Alright, drop 5, 6, and I just dropped something, letting off a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. So 2 again, 3 again, nothing on 4, 5, maybe something on 6, 2 again, 3 again. And then 1, and it's open. But that is the u-shin showa.